This class we will build our clock. First of all, we will study a new type, HSZ. We can find it from MSDN 98, or you may get help from the web of Microsoft Corporation. HSZ handle to a DDE string that make a data exchange. DDE. DDE EMLH declare the type. Declare handle HSZ. Here, the system defines HSZ as a handle. So we include this header file, include DDEMLH. Include DDEMLH. Now let's add a callback function. Static. DDE callback. This function will be used in our new clock. Static HDDE date callback DDE callback word US type. US means unsigned type. Unsigned short type. Word US FMT format HCONV HSZ, a new type, a handle to DDE string. HSZ 1, HSZ 1, HSZ, HSZ2, HDDE date, HDate, the word LDate 1, the word LDate 2. Oh my God. It's not 1, it's the letter L. It's very similar. They are very similar. L. You can find the number shouldn't be the first letter of an identifier. Let's add a new tab and 3 variables. You can see we add type df in the type df structure. It's inside it. Please pay more attention. Inside means it's private for the special areas. Type DF structure, tag, time, NT hour. 0 to 11 hours for analog clock. There are two kinds of clock, one for analog, another for digital. Int hour 12 hours for math. INT hour 24 hour for math. INT minute, INT second, INT AM PM. 0 for AM, 1 for PM. Time O time. O means output. HSD time. HSD now. HSD clock. HSD is for DDEML use. The word IDINST. We add a blank at the end of the structure to separate two different parts. That's at the body of the function. You can see it returns 0. HDD date ONC64I. DDE callback word US tap word US FMT HC1V HSD1 HSD2 HDD date HDate the word L date 1 the word L date 2 right left curly bracket return 0 right curly bracket. Now let's initialize some necessary variable. ONC ID INS equals 0. ONC ID INST equals 0. Here's the end of this class. In this class, we study another new data type. This data type uses a macro to announce to declaration the type. And we will use DDE to build our new clock. DDE means dynamic date exchange. That means we will display our time in real time mode. So you can display and exchange all adjust or clock as possible as fast. So, in a word, it means real time or simultaneously.